morning, world. Ladies and gentlemen of the internet, welcome back to another episode of the R&R Show. That's Randy and Rob, for those that don't know. Just playing. This is not a show. Calm down. This is not our show. But if CNN or Discovery Channel wants us, they want to put us on a show, hey, we're up for the challenge, brothers. But today, we are going to be doing something very car related. We are going to finally install the Wicker Stage 3 wing on my Pop's C7 Corvette. On another note, supposedly the owner of that vehicle is going to show up today. But then again, he's been showing up since November, and it is now January, about to be February. So we'll see if he actually shows up, but if he does, we'll make sure we get him on camera. Yo, motherfucker!
Hi. How you doing today?
Not even a flinch, huh?
No.
You wanna explain to people what's up with them salmon shoes?
Straight from the gym.
You're about to get them dirty.
Straight from the gym, boo.
They're about to be a grilled salmon.
Today's the day. We're gonna move all this out of the way.
They heard that.
And we're bringing in the Corvette.
Yo no quiero ser tu hermano. Where did I move this, bro?
Pick that up, man.
Hey, what's with the bird just bus? Sorry. I don't know why Batman brings this stuff. He just leaves it here. Like it's a storage unit and shit. Batman! Come on, brother. Get it? Whew.
Any second now. Oh. Right. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Right there. So you guys saw that. We heard it.
God bless America.
Here it comes. Done. Okay. There he is.
That's American for you, brother. That's where it's at. These Japanese shits aren't doing it anymore. Hey, did you hear there's a Chinese virus coming to this?
Yeah. You have some in your fridge.
Chicken?
No, Corona.
Oh. I don't know about that. Goddamn mosquito bit me.
Hey, brother, what was that crap you just did? Like, why does it take you so long to get it through here? Because I told the viewers that the Expedition fits through there with no problem.
See, here's the thing is,
Here we
when
go.
you're dealing with the Expedition, you don't really give a
Hey, F-bombs.
I'm gonna make sure I bleep that out. When you're dealing with your pop's car and it's his baby, you kind of gotta take all precautions because shit hits the fan quick, and guess what? That's my ass.
Done deal, huh?
That's Dusty, bro.
Is it because we're not at that YouTube channel status where you could just buy another one?
Yeah, see, if we were at that status, then it, boom.
You would drift it in here, no problem.
Fuck it, dude. I would have fucking ran.
Hey.
Dude, that is a lot of F-bombs right there. Those came out naturally, dude. But, yeah, we would have whipped it. You best believe this tail would have been sideways.
Is it safe to say you would have whipped Nene?
Yep.
Oh, man.
And they would have got a little bit of the...
Oh, people, live today
Just like that.
on the 23rd, dabbing.
They would have got a little bit of the dab. What?
Wait a minute, what's today?
The 24th.
Live today, the 24th, dabbing.
At noon.
Noon.
Okay, quick hip hop challenge. Ready? Ready? Hip hop challenge. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Oh, oh. No, bitch, who's that?
Fuck, I know who it is.
Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny. You're right, dude. It's Bad Bunny. Hey, it's Bad Bunny. It's not Bad Bunny. Wait.
Who is it?
It's Good Bunny.
Good Bunny.
No, it's Anuel. Oh. Oh. Kind of goddamn man opened this. Anyways. She's in.
Goodies.
Oh. You want to tell people what we went to go do at HFT?
So we went to Harvey.
You want to tell the people what HFT is?
Harvey Freight Tools.
Alright. So we went to HFT. I forgot we went to HFT. But the reason why we went to HFT is we need this plastic pry tool. We did. You know what sucks, dude?
Please.
Is this is gonna be a free install, no labor. And we're out spending money on tools. Anyway.
Keep this some money.
Ain't we? Oh, and we got a what is that? A welding bench?
Welding cart.
Welding cart.
A bag for the wrenches.
A bag for some wrenches.
And
a drill bit.
the unibit that we need.
Time for the heartbreaker for my dad. We gotta tear it apart. We gotta remove the whole rear. See, this is what weird, dude. GM decides, hey, we're gonna make the C7 Corvette, but if you ever wanna install a wing,
You're gonna have to.
or you wanna change and upgrade your current wing, you gotta remove the entire bumper. Keep in mind, this is not like that bumper or that bumper, which you have a bolt there, a bolt on that side, maybe 2-3 bolts on top and it comes off. No, this Mamba Jamba has, I believe, 3 bolts under here, 2 in there, 10 up here. You're gonna get a kicker out of this one. 2 in the exhaust. I don't know why, don't ask me. Obviously, another 5 over here. And then on top of that, you gotta remove that trim because there's 2 more bolts in there. On top of that, you gotta remove the tail lights, which consist of 9 bolts that hold the tail light to the bumper. And then at that point, the bumper might just come out.
Might.
35 on the stacks, put it on the racks. The bumper's halfway off. What do you gotta say about yourself? Got it. No, it's got him. Got him. And as people like to refer it as, there's a rear fascia. You like that word? There's a rear fascia. So all this, just to install wing. Ain't that some shit? What are you doing there now?
Tail light removal.
All right, you gotta remove the tail lights because you need to have what you call and what's referred as a wiggle room for the nets.
Which ones? These?
Got 'em. Anybody curious where we purchased this wing? It was purchased from CorvetteMods.com. That's .com for all you people that don't speak the Espanol. So CorvetteMods.com is where we purchased this from. And apparently they say that they make this install really easy because they send, not only do they send instructions, which I just came to realize that they're here, but we didn't use the instructions, so. But they say they send a template, and the so-called template is for you to get guidance on where to exactly drill the hole if your Corvette C7 did not come with the hole. On another cool note that I'm just noticing here, they sent us a big ass paper, and I'm assuming this is to lay down on the floor so you don't scratch the bumper. That is pretty dope, dude. Corvette Mods always taking care of you. I'm very, dude. This is the first time I've seen something like this, dude, actually.
Oh my God.
Oh God, never mind, brother. Never mind. This is a template.
No.
Yes. Oh. That sucks.
course, you bought some cheap ass kit.
See, the video we saw, the template was clear.
Because it's an actual part number from Chevy.
If I would have seen this template before, I would have ordered that template. So now, oh God, we're probably gonna have to cut this ancient map-looking thing, and and hope it comes out good. So there's the template. Apparently, goddamn template. I could have sworn, brother, they were gonna send something better to us, but hey. I guess you can't ask for too much. Hey, let me tell you this though. Oh, this might be my mom's. I was about to say something to the Knox jack. Ow!
Brother.
That shit pinched me.
You okay?
Yeah, that got me. That's got me feeling some type of way about it. Long ass bag for hardware. And there's a stage 3. Look at on the bright side, dude. They sent us a double-sided tape. Hey, look at on the bright side, dude. They sent us some Corvette mods. Little note cards. You never know when you need some note cards.
Man.
And then we have ourselves a receipt. And then we have the stage 3. This is what makes it the stage 3. It's just that center piece. That's smoked, tinted, whatever. And the actual wing is somewhere inside. More hardware, double-sided tape. Hey, guess what, dude? They sent us a business card, bro. We're gonna shout them out again. On a scale 1 to 10. You know what, dude? We're gonna go balls to the wall with this one, balls deep. Scale 1 to 20. How hyped are you on that template?
12.
I mean, I'd say that's pretty high on the meter, but being the fact that we are basing ourselves out of a 20, it's pretty low. It's like saying 2. No, it's like saying 6.5, right? Because it's somewhat of a help, but at the same time, it's like, bro.
I generally, bro, don't give a
Hey. So I see you got a little handy dandy on the craft here. You lined it up perfect? All right. That is a lot of fiber, bro. So we're gonna do that how many times? We're gonna do that 8 times? I'm talking to you, perro. This is how he usually gets when he's trying to concentrate. But I don't think nobody really gives a damn about his concentration. But look at him. Focus. Put it in, brother. A little afterwards. Just to clean up the tip, you know. So now you're not trying to concentrate anymore. What'd you think?
Not too bad.
No?
Just hope it lines up.
Hey, don't say that to the camera, bro. You know my dad's about shitting bricks right now, holding his little ass cheeks together. I mean, it would have been nice. It would have been clear, huh?
It would have been nice.
But overall,
Not too bad.
seemed like you made it work.
Yeah.
So this is Wicker Bill Stage 1. So this is what makes a Stage 1, just the wing. There's really nothing to it. It's just a little, I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's just a little hump. And then what makes it the Stage 2 is the winglets that go right there. And then what makes it the Stage 3 is obviously self-explanatory, the third piece. You know what's weird, brother? I thought it would have studs, but I guess you gotta put bolts. So let me open the door for this guy, because we just purchased some Enki wheels that we're gonna powder coat for our personal cells to display. So I think the guy is here to drop them off. Let's get this shit going. And we're back! I don't know, I just felt like it. We're back. You wanna show the people some skin? Some skin action?
No, it's extra money.
I don't know who's
You
out
gotta
there.
pay for a subscription, premium.
Oh, that comes with your Snapchat premium?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys want to see some more, you guys gotta go to @BigRob915 and you gotta purchase that Snapchat premium. How much are you a month?
$13.95 a month.
$13.95 a month. That's cheap, dude. Usually people always charge like $13.95 every 2 weeks.
It's not bad. I don't have a 6-pack.
Oh, okay. You don't have a 6-pack, so that's why it's cheap.
20-pack.
So, yeah, 20-pack. Yeah, keg. But anyways, we purchased wheels right there. These apparently are some 18-inch Enkis. How do you pronounce it? Enkis? Enkis? Enki. These two have some monster tires, but we are not gonna be using these wheels on anything. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean them up. We're gonna prep them, and we're gonna shoot one each different color. We're probably gonna have a candy purple, whatever, red velvet, candy purple. We're gonna have 2 candy purples and 2 red velvets, but all 4 with a different base. So we're gonna have those for what would you say, display purposes?
Yeah, we said that at the beginning.
For display purposes. I did say that, my bad. As he's about to demonstrate, there is 2 bolts inside the exhaust. Well, next to the exhaust, but inside the exhaust exit. It's a little on the weirds, huh?
It is.
Like, Chevy was just like,
You know what would be nice?
you know what, bro? I think it needs a little bit more rigidity.
Let's put 2 more bolts here.
And then his boy's like, I got it, man.
Hey, you know what? Let's do it. Matter of fact, let's make a mold. We'll do it right now.
Let's throw these 2 bolts in the exhaust. Hell yeah, dude, let's do it.
Hey, bet.
I bet you won't. I bet I will. And then guess what? He did. If you guys don't want to do this at home and you buy this wing for your Corvette, and you want a shop to do it, don't be surprised when they tell you it's going to be like $400 to install it. Because it's some work. We've been out here for approximately 5 hours. Here you go, senor. 2 bolts. Hatch is closed. There's how it's looking from the side, top. Overall view of the ass. There it is. 1 to 10. Install.
Install.
Let's do install and then time consuming.
Time, it's going to take you every bit of 4 hours. 3 hours or so. 4 hours.
1 to 10.
1 to 10. It was a pretty simple install. It's just a lot of steps, a lot of things involved. So I'd say it was about a 7 or an 8. I'd say an 8.
8. And that's mainly because of the time and all the little bolts. Right?
Right.
Okay. On the new wheels?
They're here. Supporting.
We're gonna have to grind those tires off because we don't have nothing to dismount tires.
I'll take them to get this done first.
No, they're gonna charge us, bro.
No, I know I'll take them off. Don't worry about it.
So.
All right, it's a wrap. Later.
Well, Rob just left. So the wing is done. You guys see it back there. Again, let's jump in this thing and let's put it back. And windows are up. You know what that means? That means it's time to drive. You guys want to hear a quick rev? Check it out. Let's hope that Pops doesn't watch this video because he's gonna chew my ass because I rev. It's kind of like you know, this is like his girlfriend, so I don't think anybody wants to let anybody borrow their girlfriends and punch them like that. If you guys can rephrase, cool. If not, I am not about to explain myself because there is kids in here. Well, not in here, but in the vids. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in. For those that stayed to the end of this video, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate every second that you guys take out of your day to watch these. And with that being said, we're out.